Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and give a like to the video also if you feel really it is helpful to you. And also you can share with your friends if you think it is helpful for them also. They can earn some money, they can learn actually. Basically to be stick in the market, to not out of the market, you should first learn the things. Okay, so if you feel that my video is helpful for you, you are learning something, then please share with your friends and your colleagues who also can be the part of our channel. Okay, so coming to the analysis for today, post analysis of Nifty for 2nd February, and I'll give the view for tomorrow also. So let me tell you. So I think what we have told is that this is wave 1 and this is wave 2, and I told you 3, and there will be a correction, and the correction will be till here. So what I feel now, the correction is over. So this wave 3 correction is over, wave 4 correction is over. So it was a straight fall actually. I think much time has been spent in wave 2, so that's why I don't think more correction will come. Now we are heading towards the wave 5. Okay, and wave 5 could be the target, could be total retracement of this one, and if you it will become around 38.2% of this. So 38.2% means from here to here, whatever the distance it covered. One thing is that it is a 38.2% of from here to here, and another is 61.8% of this one. If you see the 61.8% of this whole total move of 0 to from here to here. Okay, from here to here, two possibilities are there. One is 38.2%. Okay, I was thinking that it will come before this one. This wave 4 will be coming over there, and there will be a zigzag, and all this pattern will evolve. But seeing the seeing the market, seeing the Nifty movement from yesterday and today also, what I feel is that the correction, whatever has to come, it has come, or something, or more, it can do something, and it can go to wave 5. Okay, and the wave 5 can be around actually from 38.2%, 11,987. Okay, from here to here, what is the distance covered? So we'll calculate. Suppose let's say 12,000 is the 38.2%, and 14,750. So 14,750, and this 12,000. 1 minute. So let me calculate this. Let me put this. So 2,813 points. So 2,813 points from here. Okay, if Nifty is not coming down, if Nifty is not breaking 13,600, so 2,813 points, it can move towards up, towards upper region. Okay, so if we put here 2,813. Okay, so it is 814. So coordinates 2,000. 1 minute. What I can do is I can put this. Okay, so what I can do, I can move it to here. So 16,400, 400, what is the achievable target, what I am seeing. Okay, so this is a daily time frame analysis, and from here Nifty can do a lot of zigzag and a lot of fall also. So we are not interested in daily means in daily time frame analysis, because we are not a monthly holder. For positional, suppose if you are a weekly, or for tomorrow the view, or day after tomorrow, in 3 to 4 days, if you see, what should be your view and what should be your position. Okay, so in that we will do analysis in that front, and let's do the analysis. Okay, so I'll go to the now 1 hour time frame analysis. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame analysis. So as discussed, this is the trend line which holds. Okay, so this is the trend line which holds. Stick to my video so that you will get you will not lose whatever I am telling. Otherwise you will take some false trade, and then you will be go wrong. Okay, so this is the trend line which holds, and this is the trend line which holds, and this is the main support region. Okay, main support 13,600. Now it is Nifty is not going to come over here. Okay, now we'll move towards 15,200 first. Okay, and I don't see Nifty is going to fall as of now. Okay, so what can be the fall? Means the fall will be like this to go up only. Okay, because market moves in a wave only. Okay, markets, whatever the move will come, market moves in a wave. Okay, there will be a wave, there will be a correction, and then market will then everything will move. It is not like that one day the straight fall, one day the straight move happen, so eventually everything will be moving up only. That is not the case. Okay, so this is on the support zone 13,608, and Nifty is not going to come over here as of now. Okay, as of now it is not going to come over here, but what we'll see over here, I hope you are in the long side, because as I told you, as soon as this candle you see a green candle, you should exit your short, and you should be in the long side. So I hope it helps for you, and you have taken the correct trade. Now I am still long. Okay, and this is the fourth move. This is the fourth move. If you go to the 15-minute chart, 15-minute view. Okay, if you go to the 15-minute view, what you will see that, let me show you. This is wave 1, and this is 2. Okay, somewhere here it will be wave 3, and wave 3 is completed, and this is the wave 4 which is going on, and wave 5 will come. Okay, whole move will be now the wave 1 only. Okay, the whole move, larger move will be wave 1. So let me make it 10 degree sub micro. So this whole move will be this one. Larger move will be this one actually, wave 1. Okay, and how the wave 1 will be calculated? When the wave 5 will complete, then wave 1 will come, then after that wave 2. Okay, wave 2, then wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. Okay, so let's see the counting. That is in a much later stage. So right now it is in a wave 4. Okay, tomorrow if it is crossing, yesterday also I told you that this region, this is the main hurdle. Okay, so Nifty goes over in this region and fall. Okay, and you have marked that it has not come below this candle, open equal to low. This candle, it has not come back. Okay, it will not come back also, because it is making a wave 4, and it is not going easily. It will not going to come until unless it will go over here. How the wave terminates? Wave terminates until unless wave 5. This is the wave 5. Okay, this is the wave 5. From here the wave 4 has been completed, or it is going on. Okay, we don't know whether it is going on. So how much it can come actually? Suppose if it is made, so see, so this is a 23.6% retracement. Wave 4 actually will be in between the 23.6% retracement or 38.2% retracement. If it is breaking this region 14,473, then it can take support from 14,328. Okay, 14,328. So what I am telling, that be on the long side. Okay, in 1 hour time frame analysis, if you see, until you should not exit, until unless it is coming below this red line. Okay, below this red line. So if it is coming below this red line, 13 days moving average low, then you can exit your position, then re-enter again when it will go to go along with the this one from the wave, this high, 13 days moving average high. So what I am telling is that now Nifty is in wave 5 and we can see 15,200 easily. Okay, so have some patience. So wave 4 will be you can play. So that's it, guys. So anything else? Okay, yeah, Bank Nifty also I can tell you something about the Bank Nifty. Okay, for Bank Nifty, it can move towards 35,540, 450 area, which is the achievable target. Okay, so if it is terminated over here, it could not cross this one. Then you can see a fall actually up to 38.2% of retracement of whole fall. Okay, or 31,578. Till then it can fall. Okay, if it is not holding this one, if it is not able to cross this one, but I hope it will cross 35,451 because Bank Nifty is also in the fifth up move. Okay, once whole move has been completed, then we can see a second move. Okay, now this is a means in daily time frame, this first move can complete and then we can see a second move up move, second move towards the downside, and second move towards the downside, how much it will come, we'll calculate once the fall will start. Okay, that's it, guys. So I hope it will help you, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you update tomorrow again for the Nifty view. Thank you, guys.